Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again with another video for you guys. I like to share good things for you with you guys. Anything that I have in my mind, I love to share with other people outside. I'm not that person who can get something, find something good and just keep quiet. No, I'm not that person. I love to share things with other people. Okay, so welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be teaching you how to get rid of wrinkles. You see, when you walk under the sun will burn your skin and leave it messy. When pimples are on your face, pimples, when they die, when they disappear, they leave your face messy. And when your skin, when you stay long without, maybe when you have stress, when you have, there's something giving you so much stress, you're overthinking things like that, even your skin grows old. Okay, trust me, it works. So it does. So to get rid of wrinkles, pimples, blemishes, and get rid of them completely and get a fair skin, a very clean skin like mine, no pimples at all, only small, for just a normal skin. So we use lemon. Lemon is that property that actually can clear everything, entering to the skin, destroying all the pimples, leaving your skin very clear and very smooth. Okay, and also for those people who want to get a fair skin, you can also use neem. Also, neem helps also in getting rid of dark faces, like it clears all that roughness. Okay, trust me. But first, are you subscribed yet to the channel? Hit the subscribe button like you don't care. Like if you want to walk with me to this journey, subscribe. If you don't want, no forcement. Okay, so all you have is just a knife and neem. Very simple ingredients. Don't go and buy all the things in a supermarket, bleaching, whatever. Even this one can bleach you, because already the oils that you buy in a supermarket, this one is already in it. So for those ones who don't know, now you know. Just we slice our neem, slice it like that, and then if possible you remove the seeds, in it. Make sure you have rinsed your face like the way mine is rinsed. Okay, I rinse my face because it's now evening here, so I rinse it, because when I go to sleep, I don't want to sleep with oils on my face. I just want to sleep when my face is very normal like that, so that it can breathe very well. So I'm going to apply this one, just as easy as you can see. Just rub it on your face, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it on your face. Even on your neck if possible, scrub it there. Press some water. You can see if the water is finished, you take your time to press your neem so that the water can just scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Be careful with your eyes. You see the feeling that you can feel when you're applying neem. That is the water, the neem, the lemon water entering into the open spots on your face. Okay, even on your nose also, it can help prevent, destroy those germs that actually create blackheads. So you scrub it carefully, the whole face, and be careful with your eyes, because the neem is not good on the eyes. scrub it just like that. Yeah, let me show you the dirt inside the neem. You can see neem is very good. It clears all the dirt that was left on your face. We bathe every day, but still there's always that remains on our faces. So if you use the neem, it can clear all that dirt. If you can see how the neem is very dirty, and that is it. And we are going to leave it to dry. Kama kawaida, you just leave it, give it time, give it like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, take your time. You can do anything else, and then later you rinse it off. And then yeah, me, I like to do this when I'm going to bed. And yeah, it works. Tomorrow in the morning when I wake up my face when it's very fresh and very, yeah, just like that. Okay, so stay tuned. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay. So it's dry, and you have to actually leave it dry until you feel your skin is tight. Till you feel your skin is tight, and then you rinse it off. So let me rinse it off, and I come back, you see the results. Okay. My Aramis, my favorite oil. So actually use a little of it. I don't use too much of it, just little. You have to use, you can use any moisturizer of your own choice. Reason why you have to moisturize your face after using neem is because neem penetrates in the skin, and then if you don't moisturize your face, it will be inching. Yeah, you'll be scratching your face every time when you feel like scratching it. So you have to moisturize it. Yeah, so that is all. That's all for today's video. See you. Bye.